Hey guys, Mark here from CrossFit Essendon. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly set up for your deadlift movement. So one of the most common problems that we see in a deadlift is that people will round their back initially to go to pick up the bar, okay? And then they try and get their back straight or in a neutral position when they're at the bottom, okay? The problem with this is that when we try and get our back straight or flat when we're in that bottom position, is that we have to use our hip flexors, the muscles at the front of our hips, to pull my spine into that neutral or extended position, okay? Now, when that happens from a bottom position, that might look like you're straight, but when you stand up into that full extension position, so when you pick up the weight, you're actually in an extended position through your back. Now, what this is gonna do is it's gonna put a lot more strain and stress through your back, where we want to ideally load the hips and hamstrings first when we're doing our deadlift movement. So one of the things that we can do is what's called a top-down setup for our deadlift. Now what this means is that we're going to be prioritizing our spinal position at the top of the movement, okay, getting our spine straight and neutral at the top before we even go down to the bar. And then we load our hips and hamstrings first, okay, we come down to the bottom of the barbell. And once we prioritize that movement from the top, it means that my back is in that neutral position before I even go down to the barbell, okay? So the way in which we do this setup is that first we'd get our feet under the bar, okay? We'd squeeze our glutes, we'd get our ribs down, and then we do a hip hinge movement so that you're reaching back through your hips, okay? You're loading your hips and hamstrings, you're bringing your hands down to the bar. From there, I can create tension on the bar, okay? And then I can pull into my deadlift position. So one of the best exercises we can do to help teach this drill is what's called a PVC 3 points of contact. So the PVC will go on the back and there'll be 3 points of contact. One is gonna be on the head, one on the middle back, and one on the lower back. What we wanna do in this drill is we wanna set up with our feet straight, have soft knees, and then load our hips and hamstrings first by reaching back through your hips, okay, and letting your chest go forward. What we want to be seeing is that the 3 points of contact are maintained on the back with the PVC. So one on the head, one middle back, one lower back the whole time, okay? What this is going to do is it's going to teach us how to load the hips and hamstrings first. That way, when we're doing our top-down setup, we can easily set up for that deadlift movement, okay? So again, when we're setting up for our deadlift, we want to make sure that my feet are under the bar, okay? I get my ribs down, okay, I squeeze my glutes, then I can load my hips and hamstrings by pushing them back, bring myself down to the bar, grab the bar, create tension through my upper back, and then from there, my back is in a nice neutral position where I can stand up fully without that back extending. So guys, give this a go for your own deadlift. Try this top-down setup, especially if you're someone who has back pain. When you're deadlifting, this is gonna really help you to prioritize loading through your hips and hamstrings. If you guys like this content, if you would like more content just like this, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.